Hello everyone, my name is Sakira Morris and this is my Capstone reflection presentation. For the internship, I was placed at One Roof, which is a nonprofit organization that assists those who are currently experiencing homelessness. One Roof is also located in Cooper Green Mercy Hospital in the downtown Birmingham area. Resources provided by One Roof include case management, housing assistance, SSI and SSDI assistance, hygiene supplies and clothing, and referrals to partnering agencies such as JBS Mental Health, Salvation Army, Still Serving Veterans, and United Way. One Group also sponsors an event called Project Homeless Connect, and at this event, clients or just anyone who is currently experiencing homelessness has access to a wide array of resources such as legal assistance or dental and mental health assistance. The mission of One Roof is to equip and empower our community to prevent and end homelessness through advocacy, education, and coordination of service. So for my first competency, I chose Competency 7, which is assess individuals, families, groups, organizations, and community. And for an example of that competency, I chose the point in time account, which is a HUD-sponsored event that is used to assess individuals who are currently experiencing homelessness. HUD's definition of homelessness includes individuals who are living in emergency shelters, transitional housing, safe havens, places not meant for habitation. The results of this data provide an indicator of progress that can be compared to other years that the pit count was done, or it also identifies the regions experiencing the greatest challenges in homeless. And as of 2019's pit count, the top 10 states who are currently experiencing the greatest challenge in ending homelessness are California, New York, Florida, Texas, Washington, Massachusetts, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Colorado, and Illinois, and those 10 states make up 67% of the nationwide homeless count. So for my second competency, I chose competency 9, which is evaluate practice with individuals, families, groups, organizations, and communities. And for the first category, it includes individuals currently living in shelters, transitional housing, safe havens, which are supportive housing for individuals who are hard to reach or have severe mental illness who are currently living on the streets and have been unable or unwilling to participate in supportive services. And those exited in a situation where they temporarily reside in an institution for at least 90 days, such as a prison or mental health facilities. And this also applies to those in shelters and places that are meant for habitation prior to entering those institutions. For the second category, it is for individuals who are losing their primary nighttime residence within the next 14 days, or lack resources and supportive networks to remain in that housing unit. The next category involves families with children or unaccompanied youth who are unstably housed. And for those individuals that currently have no lease or ownership interest in the housing unit in the next 60 days, or the last 60 days, or have had 2 or more moves in the last 60 days, and they are likely to continue to be unstably housed due to a disability or multiple barriers to employment. In the last category, we have those who are fleeing or attempting to flee domestic violence situations. These individuals also have no residence or lack resources or support networks to obtain other permanent housing. And in conclusion, I would just like to thank those at One Roof who provided me with the necessary resources and information to feel confident in the social work field. And through this experience, I have gained a lot of hands-on experience that has challenged my ability to think critically and also create care plans for individuals. And even though we are currently in a pandemic, I do still feel confident in my abilities to become a social worker, even in these very changing times. And lastly, I would just like to thank Professor Melton and Professor Linker for just being amazing and guiding us through this very uncertain time and just providing us resources to complete our internship. I also would like to thank Aubrey Smith and a few of the other social workers at One Roof who also assisted my experience with just learning about different demographics such as youth and veterans, also those in the criminal justice system, and I got a chance to also see homeless court, which is also in the legal side of homelessness. And this situation has also gotten me to realize which part of social work I do want to work in, which is mental health. And lastly, I would like to thank Michelle Farley, who gave me the opportunity to actually speak my mind during meetings or conferences just to hear my opinion. And it just made me feel included. And lastly, I just want to thank everyone who has helped me reach this point, and I'm very grateful for this experience. Thank you.